Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, you can tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now select Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!